Good morning, medal winners! How far did your ski jumpers go yesterday? Today's experiment has to do with magnets. No matter how many times your skater falls down today, that magnet's going to pick them right up again, which is a good example of determination, today's Olympic value. If you want your skater to be a hockey player or a speed skater, just design your own skater. You don't have to use the one provided. You can do whatever you want. Hi scientists, welcome to today's experiment. For today, the supplies you'll need are markers or crayons, an aluminum pan like this one, some paper so you can decorate the background, the skater that you're going to color in, this little tiny metal piece which I think is called a brad, some tape, and then a magnet stick. Your magnet stick may look a little bit different than mine, but it's a little plastic stick or a wooden stick with a magnet on the end. Why don't you get your supplies and then we'll meet back here in a minute. All right, scientists, now that you have your materials gathered, take your paper. You're going to make the environment for a skating rink. This pan is going to become our rink. So here you can see I've drawn some hockey boards, that go around the edge of a skating rink. And I've drawn some fans in the stands, and they are amazed and happy at what they're about to see. You might choose to draw an outside skating rink. So you might choose to draw trees on yours, or buildings, or dogs that might be watching. So you go ahead and do your coloring to make your rink. And then you can just use your tape to tape your papers to the side of your rink. You're also going to spend time coloring your skater. If you want that skater to be a boy, you just make that dress and look like little shorts instead, okay? But color your skater however you want her or him to look, or them to look, and we'll meet back here when you're done coloring. Oh, I bet what you've drawn looks just wonderful, and I can't wait to see pictures of the rink that you've created and your skater. For the next thing, you've got to take this little metal piece that we included. It might look like more like a paper clip or something like that than this, but you're going to take this little piece, and you might have to have an adult help with this. You're going to tape it onto your skater's leg. You probably just want it, I use tape. You could just use the brad as it's intended, but I just taped it. Can you see that? I just taped that little thing to the skater's leg. Now we're going to put this little girl in the rink, okay? And then, you guys, then comes the magic. We're going to use our magnet wand. We're going to put that under the container, and we're going to spin her around the rink, and it will be like magic. All right, okay, everybody, this is a wee bit tricky, but put your skater standing straight up on the aluminum, grab your magnet stick, find your skater under there, and then pull her around. Oh, mine fell over. And then you can pull her around. Look at her. Can you see her twirl and move? Do you see her going? You can do the same thing. Again, just stand her right up, put the magnet under. You know what would be great is if you colored both sides of your skater so you could always see her as she turns and turns around the skating rink. And the fans cheer, and the fans are amazed. Woohoo! Look at her spin! Look at her spin! Oh, I can't wait to see what you guys design and do on this. I'd love to see videos of your skating lady, or gentleman, or him, them, whoever you make. It'll be lovely. One more turn. Let's get her up right again. Oh, she's down. She's down for the count. Oh, she went up the side there. There we go. And a final bow. I want her looking at you. And the crowd goes wild. I can't wait to see what your skaters look like. Why did it work? Why do magnets work? Well, magnets produce an invisible magnetic field that pulls many other materials towards it. You can try your magnet wand on other materials, or metals or non-metals, to see which materials respond to your magnet wand.
Greetings, Olympians. Remember me? Albert Einstein? Today's Olympic value is determination. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with the big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. So dream big! Yesterday I got lasagna in my mustache.